Hi, everyone. So I just have a few quick notes and reminders as we head into the weekend. So first, of course, today we have my mini lecture on peer-reviewed resources and then also a quiz. And then after that, we also have my mini lecture on developing a bibliography and research strategies, and that is in preparation for the annotated bibliography assignment. So make sure you go through that mini lecture as well. So then, as of course I mentioned in my announcement a couple of days ago, tomorrow, Saturday, we have an annotated bibliography due. And so the sources that you'll find for that bibliography should relate to your complex problem. And of course, now that we've had some time to consider more about approaching complex problems, it's a good time to make some progress with some research toward your final multimodal video presentation, which you'll be doing at the end of the term. So the sources that you'll find for this bibliography will help you toward that. So I have some more detailed instructions about the annotated bibliography on Canvas, but I'd just like to note, of course, that at least 4 of the sources need to be peer-reviewed, but you will find a total of 8 sources or more. So you'll also need to complete full citations for each in either MLA or APA format. If you'd rather use a different citation style that you're familiar with, just check with me about that. And then, of course, after each citation, include an annotation of a few sentences addressing what the source is about and how it might be useful for you as you address your complex problem. And of course, if you are not sure if a source that you find is going to work or whether or not it's peer-reviewed, you can check with me. I'm happy to help out. And also happy to help out with any other research questions or problems that you might run into. And of course, since we only have a quiz due today, which should take less time than our regular discussion activities, I hope that you can get started on your research today so that you don't feel too rushed finding enough useful sources for your annotated bibliography. And because, of course, the research process can often take a lot more time than you expect, so you want to start as soon as you can with that. So then to finish Module 3 on Monday, we'll have a discussion activity in which you will revisit your complex problem and discuss what you've learned so far, how your thinking has developed since the beginning of the term, and also some possible solutions to the problem. And so you've already been considering your complex problem further through some of our class activities and assignments, but for that discussion on Monday, you'll take it just a little bit further. And plus, for that discussion, you will need to draw from at least 2 sources in your post, and those might be sources that you list on your annotated bibliography, so perfect timing for that. But of course, take a look at the instructions on Canvas for more details about that. And then, of course, also remember to reply to a couple of your classmates for Monday's discussion. And of course, your replies to classmates is where you can help your classmates out with thinking about their complex problems further. And hopefully, you can also get some helpful responses from them as well to help you with thinking about your complex problem. So I will have some more details on Monday about Module 4, which will all be starting next week, on Tuesday, that is. Meanwhile, though, if you have any questions as we head into the weekend, let me know. I'll be checking my email despite it being a weekend because I know you have something due, so I'll still be on there in case you have any questions. All right, I'll leave it at that for now. Have a good time researching.